Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to discover books on your KOBO Elipsa 2e. So if you don't have any books on your KOBO, then you're just like me. And if you want to shop for some, then go over to Discover. Now in the Discover, it will scan for networks because you need a Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, then there's a tutorial on our channel on how to connect to a Wi-Fi network. And as you guys can see now, we cannot see anything right here, but we need to scroll. And now we will see the ebook categories. Now here we have biography and memoir, the business and finance, comics, graphic novels and manga, fictional literature. Basically we have everything right here, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go with the business and finance. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the new in business and staff picks in business. Here we can also view all. So as you guys can see now, it's loading the list. We can buy a book for, it's around $17, or this one is like $5, even less. So here you guys can basically buy the books, and this is how you guys can discover them. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.